Hey, Snyder Stallions, Mrs. Prim's positive pupils, especially. Here for fractions. Want to make sure we all understand that when we're talking fractions, we are talking about equal parts of a whole. If it's not an equal part, if it's not partitioned or divided into equal parts, then it is not a fraction. So we're just going to take a look at some examples of pictures of equal parts and pictures of not equal parts. So the equal parts, those are fractions. Whoops, guess I should have written a little smaller. And these are not fractions. So let's see. We've got this picture of an ice cream cone, but that's not equal. We have a picture of a hexagon that has been partitioned into two equal parts. That is a fraction. The ice cream cone, when it's partitioned correctly, straight down the middle, that's halves and that's equal parts, so that is a fraction. This trapezoid, that would not be a fraction because those parts are not equal. It's larger, wider on the bottom than it is on the top. Same thing with this one. It's split into four parts, but it's not four equal parts. And we have this example. It's a diamond or a rhombus split into two equal parts. So that's halves. So this is just a quick look-see on making sure we understand that fractions are equal parts of a whole. When it's partitioned or divided into equal parts, that makes it a fraction.